Well, hey, Jeff, appreciate you taking some time. We've been having some problems with customers in their 2020 soft tops. Can you just take 2 minutes and show me exactly how it should be done so nothing bad goes wrong?
Perfect. Let's show you how it's done. So first of all, obviously with the Jeeps, there's 2 little latches inside here that just have to be undone on both sides. Then you're gonna push up in the middle and you're gonna keep pushing. And you're gonna get it to this position here. Once you get it to this position here, you're gonna come to the back of the vehicle. The windows have already been removed. There's a small handle right here. You must pull this handle down just like that.
And what happens if I don't pull that handle down?
So if I don't pull that handle down, it's gonna move a little bit, but that's all it's gonna do. By pulling that handle down, this thing is with one finger, gonna go all the way down.
That's really slick.
That's real slick. And then you're gonna lock these 2 little levers here. And all you're gonna do is push down, and those 2 little clicks is all we wanna hear. Now to reverse it, all we're gonna do is we're gonna undo those 2 latches, and we're just gonna use our fingers and go straight up. Just like that.
It's that easy.
That easy.
Great. And where have you seen these things break when customers put too much force?
A lot of the times we're seeing this bar right here bend and break, or this bar right here and bend and break.
And we're sharing this because it's about $700.
$700
and
customer
warranty
pay.
doesn't cover this, right?
Exactly.
Perfect. Jeff, thanks for taking the time. Appreciate the help.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.